comforting scent of home was replaced by the unfamiliar fragrances of the world beyond. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Luna found herself in a world of shadows and unknown sounds. Panic set in as she realized she was lost. She let out a tiny, desperate meow, hoping her family would hear, but the only response was the rustling leaves in the gentle breeze. Determined to find her way back, Luna bravely set out on a journey through moonlit meadows and mysterious woods. Along the way, she encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch. "Hoot there, little one,"